How to hide phone number on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to hide the phone number on Telegram, first of all launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner and then select on settings. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security option. As you tap on that, here under the privacy section, you can see the option of phone number. So select on that. So over here, you can see who can see my phone number. You have three options: everybody, my contacts, and nobody. So if you want to hide your phone number on Telegram, simply tap on nobody and toggle on. Under the category of who can find me by my number, here you have set the option of my contacts, so that's the only option we have. So you can just tap on tick mark and then there you go, you will be able to hide your phone number on Telegram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.